Good morning, children. Today in GK we will read lesson 14 Sports Mascots. What are mascots? One that is thought to be bring good luck. It can be any people, animal, or anything. The mascot of 2020 Olympics is called Mirai Towa, which is derived from the Japanese word Mirai means future and Towa means eternity. In this year 2020 Olympic game was going to held in Japan, but due to corona, as we know, this game is just postponed. There are some few mascots given which are mascots of Olympic games held in previous years. So first one is, this was the mascot of Pyeongchang 2018 Olympic Winter Games. Pyeongchang, it is in South Korea. Suho Rang, mascot for Pyeongchang 2018 Olympic Winter Games. Suho Rang. Suho Rang is actually a white tiger which is considered to be sacred guardian for Koreans. Again, next is, this mascot was a mix of different Brazilian animals for Rio 2016 Olympic Games. You can understand by name that in 2016 Olympic Games were held in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. The mascot was Vinicius, which was named after Brazilian musician Vinicius de Moraes. Third, these three mascots of Sochi 2014 Winter Olympic Games were selected after a contest in Russia. That means in 2014 Olympic Games were held in Russia. So what were the mascots? The hare, the polar bear and the leopard together. These three were the mascots. Fourth, mascot of London 2012 Olympic Games was made from one of the last drops of steel used to build the Olympic Stadium in London, and the light on head is based on those found on London's black caps. Wenlock. Actually, Wenlock is a place in London, so it is named after Wenlock and made from the last drop of steel used to build the Olympic Stadium in London. Its forehead, see the structure of forehead? Forehead is identical to Olympic Stadium roof. Fifth, the Vancouver 2010 Winter Olympic Games mascots were creatures inspired by the tales of the First Nations. One is a Sasquatch, a popular character from local legend who lives in the forest, and other is a sea bear, Quachi and Miga. Quachi is a Sasquatch with brown fur and Miga is a sea bear. Children, in this chapter you have to learn the place of Olympic Games and the year in which it was held. That, for example, in 2018 Olympic Games were held in South Korea, Pyeongchang. आपको इस तरीके से भी याद करना है कि किस ईयर में किस जगह पे ओलंपिक गेम्स हुआ था और उसका मास्कट क्या था. Okay? In 2022, see, I have given in the last 2022 Olympic game is going to held in Beijing, China, and the mascot for Olympic Games is Cheerful Panda. Okay, so note it down and learn this chapter. Now our next chapter is chapter 15, Mighty Mountain Peaks. We know mountain peak. A mountain peak is the highest point on a mountain range. सबसे ऊंची चोटी. तो अभी तक हमने एशिया के बारे में पढ़ा है, Here we will study about European peaks. First, Mount Rosa. Mount Rosa is considered the highest peak in Switzerland and the second highest in the Alps. Highest peak in Switzerland and second highest in the Alps. Second, Ushba. Ushba in Georgia is often called the Matterhorn of the Caucasus Mountains. Ushba in the Georgia is often called the Matterhorn of the Caucasus Mountains. Okay. Third, Diktau in Russia is known as Jagged Mount in Turkic and is Europe's second highest peak. Diktau, Europe's second highest peak. So underline it, okay? Fourth, Mount Blanc in France, Italy and Switzerland is called the White Mountain and features the Murdy Glacier, the second longest in the Alps. See, it is Mount Rosa is second highest in the Alps and Mount Blanc is Murdy Glacier is the second longest in the Alps. It is not highest, it is longest. Okay. Fifth and the last, Mount Elbrus in Russia is the highest peak in Europe. So if the question is name the highest peak in Europe, what will you give? Mount Elbrus in Russia, making it one of the world's 7 summits. It is actually an inactive volcano. Okay, children? So this is it for today. Note it down and learn it.